Welcome to this video, where we will examine the Supreme Court case of People v. Peña and Chiong. We'll explore the legal implications regarding the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, specifically focusing on Section 3E, the presumption of good faith, and the principle of quantum meruit in public service. This case emerged following the creation of Zamboanga Sibugay in 2001. The key parties involved were Vice Governor Eugenio L. Famor, who authorized appointments, Nicasio M. Peña, the secretary to the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, and Camacho L. Chiong, who was appointed as board secretary IV. The accused included the appointing and recommending officers, Famor and Peña, along with the appointee, Chiong. Charges were filed based on allegations of conspiracy in bypassing civil service rules, specifically involving the appointment process and the approval of salary payrolls for Chiong. The timeline of events began on July 1, 2001, with the creation of the local government unit. By October 2001, Chiong was appointed and commenced service. He later resigned in May 2002 to take on a different role. In 2006, the Ombudsman filed graft charges before the Sandigan-Bayan. The prosecution highlighted several administrative lapses. Chiong lacked the required bachelor's degree. His appointment was not transmitted to the Civil Service Commission, and the selection board had not been formally constituted. The Sandigan-Bayan initially ruled that these defects constituted a fraudulent conspiracy. On appeal, the Supreme Court analyzed the elements of Section 3E of the graft law. While the parties held public office, the court found that the prosecution failed to prove evident bad faith, manifest partiality, or gross negligence, noting that no undue injury or unwarranted benefits occurred. Regarding the compensation, Chiong received over 161,000 pesos for his 7 months of service. The court applied the principle of quantum meruit, recognizing that his compensation was earned through actual labor performed in his official capacity. Under the Civil Service Commission's rules, an appointee who renders actual service in good faith is entitled to compensation for that work, regardless of later administrative findings. This finding was central to determining that there was no unwarranted benefit in this case. The court further concluded there was an absence of criminal conspiracy. The actions of the accused, such as recommendations and signing routine payrolls, were consistent with standard administrative duties in a new province, rather than a common design to commit a crime. In its ruling, the Supreme Court issued a stern admonition to the Sandigan-Bayan, stating that bad faith cannot be presumed in graft cases. The court expressed regret that this matter was elevated from a purely administrative concern to a criminal corruption case. To summarize, administrative irregularities do not automatically imply criminal graft. Bad faith is not presumed in these cases, and actual work performed in good faith negates charges of undue injury or unwarranted benefits. Thank you for watching this lecture on the Supreme Court's ruling in People v. Peña and Chiong. The image sources for this video are provided here for reference.